Tornadoes are among the most dangerous storms we face. They form fast, leave destruction behind, and often strike with little warning.
Tornadoes usually start when warm, moist air slams into cold, dry air. That clash of air creates a huge thunderstorm, sometimes called a supercell.
If winds blow in different directions at different heights, the air starts to spin. That spinning tube of air can tilt upward inside the storm.
When that rotation grows stronger, a funnel begins to form below the cloud.
Once it touches the ground, we officially have a tornado.
The strength of a tornado depends a lot on the size and power of the storm that creates it.
The more energy and wind shear inside the storm, the faster the spin, and the stronger the tornado. Some tornadoes last only minutes and cause little damage. The strongest can toss cars and flatten buildings.
That's how tornadoes form and why their strength can change so much. The science explains a lot, but the risk is always real.